Hi friends, today I'm showing you this Crave US iPhone SE case. So this case can be used on iPhone 8, 7, iPhone SE 2022, 2020. You can see this is a diamond cut and the side is very protective. This is a one-piece case. I'm just putting it on my iPhone SE. You can see like it really nice fit, and the camera and flash is all in a nice fit and protective from the case, and the buttons are working really nice, on and off button or volume. So you can see like the volume up and down, everything is working nicely, no issue with that. It's extra protection for the iPhone, and the color and the combination really look nice. So with this corner, the camera is also protected, and the back. So I'm just showing you because this is the MagSafe thing. So you can see the charging is going on with the MagSafe, so the case is not producing any effect or any problem with this. So the case is MagSafe safe and compatible. You can easily charge your phone with this. And the normal wire charging is also nice. The case is no any issue, and the speaker and everything is perfectly crafted. So very nice case for iPhone SE.